your name till forever, eh? Don't care what they say, they be your mother, I will pray.
To the newborn king, everything nice is a very good feeling. Spreading many love in